Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we love food and travel. Today I want to welcome Rajiv from Trinidad Vibes. Welcome to my channel, and I want to shout out a lot of people today. We're making peas puri, as you would see my peas here. We are making peas puri, stew beef with uku. My, it's a beautiful taste. And we're also doing some squash. And this was my one of my favorite foods on a Sunday when I get up and we sit around the table. You know, having a family lunch or dinner is always such a blessing. Nazreen, Jasmine, and Amjad, I know you're watching. Thanks for tuning in once more. Oh, big shout out Bev from Florida, and happy birthday to Eden. Guess who I'm going by today? Stay tuned. Carissa, Zanifer, is that you? Wow, welcome. How is South? How things doing down there? Let me know. Make a comment. So let's give our tomatoes a good fry. Let all that water come out of it, and then we're going to put in that ruku, okay? Remember to season as you go. So in our tomato, a little bit of salt because our meat is already seasoned. So take note of that. I have 1.5 pounds of beef. So I'm going to put generally a spoon of this ruku. Let that fry up nicely. I will put 1 tablespoon of butter. When you layer your dish, then you would have those fresh flavors coming in as we go. So here we go. And I'm not going to cover it because I would like for it to fry. Frying the meat like this allows for all that goodness to infuse together, and you sear the outside of the meat as well, getting in that flavor. We definitely need some jeera in this, but I'm going to put in fresh jeera. I'm going to roast it and grind it and put it in. So 2 cans of pigeon peas, 1 to 2 tablespoons of bandanya, half a cup of carapula leaves, pepper for flavor, and I'm going to cheat because I'm not putting in fresh garlic. I'm going to put in garlic powder. We're going to put it on a pot on low heat, and we're going to fry it up so then it will be crumbly and nice to make that puri. Ginger, tomato paste, onion, garlic, bandanya, pepper. I love it. I love the smell. I hear some sizzling. Looking good, people. Soon we are going to put it in our pressure pot. So at this point, I put it in my pressure pot or Instapot for 70 minutes. Each pot varies with how it pressures. So you have to experiment with your own. At this point, I put in my squash. It's very simple to cook. You know how to do it. Beautiful color, roasted jeera. Put it in the coffee grinder and we are going to blend them up. Let's put 1 rounded tablespoon of that roasted jeera. And as I'm mixing in that jeera, I'm getting that fresh, crisp scent. So I'm sure it's going to be good. After 1 hour, my dough was ready. This recipe that I'm giving you with 3 cups of flour makes me 6 of these roti. It could be dal puri or peas puri, same thing. And just as the same as dal puri roti, we oil our pot. When it is hot, put in our roti. Oil the surface of this again until it swells. And you see these bubbles coming up, you know, to turn and press. Turn and press. Turn and press. And that's it. So this is our end product of our peas roti. Very soft, color brown because of the peas in it. But we are going over to do a taste test now. Happy birthday to Eden. Happy birthday to Eden. And look who we have. Your favorite. And we are going to eat now. Taking out some food. Hey Naeem.
Hello.
Say hi to Eden.
Hello, Eden.
Hey Kimberly.
Hello.
So Zanifer and Carissa is watching. Do you have anything to say?
Hello.
Tell them to come and visit, right?
Yes.
Yes, they need to eat some island mama food. Come on over. Naeem, so how was the roti? What's your take on that?
It was good. It was tasty.
Alright, what about the beef made with the ruku now? How was
It's
that?
good. Very soft.
Very soft? Alright. Kimberly, what about you, girl?
Food was good when you're making more.
Two thumbs up.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to click that notification button, like, subscribe, and share. Catch you on the next video.